Grubhub debuted their first Super Bowl ad at the 2026 games this year, and it has been in the forefront of my brain for the past 6 months. Why am I thinking about it so much? It boils down to these 3 things. And these 3 things are something that B2B companies could really learn a thing or two about. So let's take a look. So the first one is that the commercial addresses a very obvious, very consistent pain point with delivery apps, and that is the fees. Everyone can agree that the fees are incredibly annoying. The unbelievable amounts of fees with these delivery platforms has born many a meme. The fact that they have been able to address and eliminate the most obvious pain point within their product or service is precisely what B2B brands need to be doing right now. And the very best B2B brands are the ones that are doing the market research, doing the studies, understanding their product and their positioning to be able to, first of all, understand what the big pain point is in their customers' lives, in the product's existence, and secondly, how to remove that as best as they can. Number 2 is that it's not all over the place. The commercial addresses one specific thing, and that is the removal of the fees. This is so important, especially for B2B companies, because B2B, time and time again, are trying to stuff as much information into an ad, into a trade show booth, into any kind of piece of marketing. There's this pervasive fear with B2B companies that if you don't say everything all at once, that no one's going to buy from you. And by doing that, you overstuff things so much that you end up completely confusing your audience. What Grubhub has done here is they've taken one key thing, narrowed in on it, and left it alone. The third thing that I think is very valuable from the Grubhub's ad is that it's kind of weird. It has this grotesqueness to it. It reminds me of Dickens' Miss Havisham. These people are strange and have really long eyebrow hairs, and there's a quirkiness and a kind of uneasiness to it that makes it really unique and really memorable. I found out that Grubhub hired director Yorgos Lanthimos to direct this commercial, and it makes a lot of sense considering this director was behind The Lobster, Poor Things, most recently Begonia. If you see any of those movies, you can really tell his influence on the style of this quirky commercial. One of the things that B2B companies do very poorly across the board is anything unique. There's a lot of fear that if you're unique in the B2B space, that people aren't going to buy from you, you're going to be ostracized. It's actually quite the opposite. If you find unique messaging, unique visuals, that really is the key to success in a B2B market. And looking to Grubhub and looking to what they've done here, and not shy away from being squeamish not shy away from squeamish nature of this ad is very compelling. So the 3 things we can learn: figure out what the pain points are and focus in on them. 2, don't overstuff your message with all kinds of other things. And 3, don't afraid to be weird and unique. That's all for now.